Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I want to show you this new trees I just discovered. This is all about straight winning that comes with 2 odd. Straight winning normally come with 2 odd. The strategy I'm using for this is working perfectly. This trees just start new, just for straight winning. 2 odd, it comes with 2 odd, it comes with 3 odd. Straight winning. This trace is working perfectly. See how I use this. First of all, you open their statistics. Once you open it, you go down. Check the one with away on 0. Away with 0. You see Gatif is away with 0 on their last match. Then what you now do is you come here, come to this correct score. Once you come to this correct score, check if you can see any for here. This 114 correct score. This place you are seeing 63. If you see 59 here, 59 odd here, 59 odd here, you choose away straight winning. If you see 59 odd here, or 69 odd here, or 79 odd here, you play it away straight winning. Or you come here, this home and away, this half time and full time score. This place now, for this place you see 1 2. This place you see 1 stroke 2. If you see odds like 48 here, you pick away straight winning. If you see odd here like 48 or 58 odd here, you pick it away straight winning. This is working perfectly. It's working perfectly. Or you come to statistics. You open the statistics like this. You see for this away, as you're seeing 44%. You come to this over goals. You see 44 for over 2.5 or 45. You see the same number you see here. For example, this number 44, you see it for over 2.5. You play it over 2.5. But the one I normally use is that one for 2 odd and 3 odd. It's working perfectly for straight winning. Or you see any odd for this straight winning. You see odd like, for example, you see this away with 249, or you see 289. Then once you see something like this far away, 249 or 289 far away, what you now do is you go to this draw no bet. If you come to draw no bet, guys, this is working perfectly. You come to draw no bet. You see any odd for this away, this 2 away. You see any odd that contain 9 here. Go straight and play that away straight winning. If you're confused about this, you chat me on WhatsApp. Let me show you. Let me make a video for you about it. Personal, private video for you about it. This is working perfectly. I've tried this. This is the new tricks they're using now for Zoom Soccer. This is the new tricks, the latest tricks they're using now for Zoom Soccer. It's working perfectly. How to get away or home straight winning with 2 odds and 3 odds. This is target. This is the main option I'm using. 2 odd and 3 odd, both away or home straight winning. Not, I didn't say double chance. Home straight winning. It's working perfectly with this kind of strategy I'm just showing you now, guys. This is working perfectly. These 3s I want to drop for you guys. In case you don't understand what I mean about it, either you chat me on WhatsApp or you listen to the video from the beginning again. If you want me to make a video for you privately about this video, you can chat me on WhatsApp or 070-3676-0527, or The same number, let me repeat it again, 07036760527 WhatsApp number. So this trees is working in the morning, working in the afternoon, and working in the evening. So perfect. So all you need to know is to know the strategy I'm talking about on this. To know the strategy I'm talking, you can use correct score option to get it. You can use draw no bet to get it. You can use this statistics to get it. This is working perfectly. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Correct bet. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so I don't miss my new video anytime I post it here. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget that app that I told you guys is still working. In case you need that app that predicts normal soccer, just chat me on WhatsApp. You get the app.